The second influence, and this may be one of the greatest of the influences in the Mediterranean region, that is especially important to us, and that was the secret religion of Mithras. Mithras. And this is a name that you need to look up to understand the Mediterranean region. It still impacts us today. And his group, it actually began in Persia, because the Persian Empire was a mighty empire with philosophers and with so many things. And Mithras's teachings began to spread. There were military conflicts between the Roman Empire and the Persian Empire over the centuries. At the same time, they shared a lot of their cultures. Okay? So the cult of Mithras appealed to military people. And then it spread into the general population.